Tide pools are holes in rock. Some kelp-covered holes lead into labyrinthian underwater caves. People who dive in return with strange feature, gills on the neck, scales on the arms, pointed teeth. These feature yours, usual disappear in a few days. Tide pool divers speak of a place in the caverns where the few lucky divers who find it live forever, immersed in golden aquamarine light. There is no map to find the golden glow, only a scribbled journal of one who returned. Swim down into the seaweed. Close your eyes, ears, and stop all senses. Your body becomes kelp, your eyes in octopuses, your arms into fins. Wake up as part of the rocky wall, teeming with mussels, oysters, sea stars, and anonomes. You must return to your human form, lest you become rock forever. The golden glow lies in between these two forms. It is said that those who feel the golden glow never lose their scales and gills on land and in the mountains.